Hello everyone. Today's video is about integrating a form in your client's website or in your client's funnel. So for that, all we need to do is go to client sub account from agency dashboard, and then you will move to the sites, and next you will click on the forms. Here you can see the forms that we created in our last video. You can watch that video to create a form for your client. Once you create a form, you will simply click on edit, and it will open up the form that you created inside Go High Level. Now, if you look at the top right section, there you will find integrate option. Now, if your client's website is outside the Go High Level, then you can simply copy this embed code and paste it or embed this code in your client's website. But if you're working on a website or funnel inside the Go High Level, then you will simply close this form, and now you will go to the websites and select your client's website. And now you will click on website page where you want to add this form. For now, I'm going to select this home page of our Go High Level website. Now we are inside the website home page that Go High Level website template provided. You can easily use any of the website template of your choice, and then you can make the changes in the website pages. For example, right now I want to add the form in this place. For that, you will just remove this image, then click on add element button, and this will bring up the element section where you will click the form. Then you will select the form that you want to add here. And bingo, we have added the form in our website. Now, if you just want to add the form as a separate section, then you will simply click on add a section. Then you will add a row. And next you will add an element. And we all know the element will be form that we want to add on our website. Alright, we have added the form as a separate section inside our Go High Level website. Now hit save. Now, if you want to capture the leads or leads information, you will have to integrate your form in Go High Level funnels. For that, all you need to do is go to funnels. Now, just like Go High Level website templates, you can also work on Go High Level funnel templates and make the changes in those funnels for your client. For now, I will simply click on this funnel, and next you will select the funnel step where you want to add your form. Now let's say I want to add the form in this column. So for that, I will simply remove this image and I will add an element, and that element will be form. Next, I will select the form for my client's funnel, and here it is. We have added the form in our Go High Level funnel. You can also add the form as a separate section inside the Go High Level funnel, just like we did in our websites. And that's it. This is how you can integrate the form in Go High Level. If you have any queries about Go High Level forms, then you can simply ask me in the comment section, and you can save this playlist for free online Go High Level course. For now, thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.